Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Minecraft closed with exit code 1. First, let's ensure your Java installation is current. Minecraft relies heavily on Java, and an outdated version is a very common culprit. Head over to the official Java website or your Tlauncher settings to update or install the correct Java development kit or runtime environment. This simple step often resolves the issue quickly. Next, let's check your allocated RAM. Sometimes, Minecraft simply doesn't have enough memory to run, especially with mods or larger worlds. Open your Tlauncher settings and navigate to the memory or RAM allocation option. Try increasing it to at least 2 GB or even 4 GB if your system allows. This provides the game with the resources it needs to operate stably. Now, let's look at your game files and any installed modifications. Corrupted game files or incompatible mods are frequent causes of exit code 1. In Tlauncher, you can often find an option to force update or check files, which can repair any damaged data. Also, try temporarily removing any recently added mods or resource packs to see if they are causing the conflict. Finally, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated or corrupted display drivers can cause a multitude of game crashes, including exit code 1. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Install them, restart your computer, and then try launching Minecraft again. These steps should help you get back to playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.